What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Back at the Citadel because I haven't been here in a few weeks. So yeah, man. Yeah, let's see what we find. I yelled so loud on that intro. The guy over there is like, "What the hell?" He turned around. He thought he was all scared. Whatever. But I am a little late. This spot opened like an hour ago, and this is one of the spots you need to get here right when they open. But yeah, it is what it is. Man. Let's go see what we find. An hour into it, and look at the line, dude. Look at all the transactions, all the bulk buys right there, and then look at this crazy line already. Oh my god, dang, what did I miss out on? I'm always like, what did I miss out on? At least they don't have empty shelves. That's always a good start. Then of course we do got the 30% off. Been getting that for a little over a week now. All right, let's check out the clearance section, starting off with the really huge sizes because the other section's really packed. Got some $7 slides, $7 flip-flops, the on deck. Let's see what $7 buys you. Okay. All right, that is a size 15, huge. Is that the thumbnail? Single digits. Vaporfly next percents for the size 15s go for $70 after discount. That's crazy. $100, man. 30% off, that's insane. Pegasus 38s going for $80. Man, I would much rather get those Vaporflies for a little bit more. Or you could overpay for these Invincible round fly nets. It's retail, but overpay because that other stuff is such a great deal. Size 14 Terra Kigers going for $80. 13 Invincible round fly nets going for $130. Oh, I see some J's, not really. $100. That's not bad, I guess, after a discount. Size 13. Size 12. Seeing a ton of these series 0.5s. Look at this. $55. Oh my goodness, 55. That 55 is before the discount too. That's crazy. Size 12. More size 12. $70 for the Pegasus shields. $140 for these ISPAs. These ugly things started at $200 originally. Look at how many 0.5s there are. Size 11.5, 12, 13, 14. All going for $55, dude. And you get that extra discount on top of that. Been telling y'all about how crowded it gets. The line starts all the way over there and look, it goes all the way around. That's crazy. All right, coming down to the smaller size already. Moving pretty quick today, damn. Well, these things still being given away. The Zoom Pulse. What is that? $14 after the discount? It's 11.5. Dang. Got these Monarch size 10. What the hell? $75? I've never seen it for. Oh, that's a witness box. I'm tripping. All right, what these Monarchs going for? $55. That sounds about right. $55. You do get that 30 off. Signing plenty of these. These are not extended size. Those are regular price things. So 11.5 and over going for cheap, I guess. Yeah, there's another one right there. Yep. Damn, it's packed as hell here, but damn, dude, nothing. Size 9 Air Max Genomes going for $80. PGs, we saw a ton of these. Oh, this is a kid size. Why is this even here? All right, I'm throwing that back. Size 5, dude. $70 though. Did see these for hella cheap before. Seen quite a few of these. This is 7.5. The Zions go for $120. All right, we're just not seeing much in the clearance section. It is packed as hell though. This place be staying packed. Dude got 30 off. Probably that's why. All right, we're checking this aisles and we're making this short if that's what we need to do. Jordan Liftoff, Jordan Access, another one of those, all white one. Wow, the center courts. Look at how cheap the center courts are. That's the cheapest we've seen those. Wow. And then another one of those. The super cheap one, it only goes down to size 13. Or it only goes up to size 13. That's insane though. All right, I guess we saw a little bit of heat, especially for cheap. Fly traps, another one of those. You want it to be super bright. Witness 5s, another one of those. Socks not included at that price. Some soldiers, we've seen like a gazillion of these. This one hanging on for dear life. Let's throw that. We don't want to know the name, but we'll just throw that back. Zions. This one's a pretty dope colorway. Maybe if I see it for hella cheap, maybe. Waffle Trainer 2s. Air Max 2017s. Another one of those. Tailwind 79s. Another one of those. Killshot 2 leathers. We've seen these a million times. Price starting to go down. That's what's up. Hirachi Craters. I don't think I've ever seen these. Like woven in pattern. That's definitely interesting. Retail though. Metcon 3s, the free Metcon 3s. Metcon 6s, Pegasus 37s, bunch of these. Prices going down big time. These should really go down because they're getting older. 38s are out. 39s are probably going to come out soon. More 38s. React Milers. Another one of those. Invincible Run Fly Nets. Damn, the line's getting longer. This is crazy. Do got some Vaporfly Next Percent. Then the Alpha Fly Next Percent. Okay. Still same price as last week. Wind Flows. Wait, why am I showing you all the generic shoes? No, we're good. Wait, forgot this slide section right here. We saw these in the clearance section. Then a couple of those Victory ones. And then they do got backpacks too. Backpacks in the aisles. Damn, man. All right, sneaker section, pretty mediocre. Let's check out this. Check out the clothes right here. Let's see what's up. Clearance section, bunch of t-shirts, just a bunch of colored tees. Look, kind of random, like nothing too dope. This one's like pretty much the exact same. Nothing standing out. The USA jacket right here going for $80. That's actually really good. This is the men's size small. Detroit Lions. Who's this? Jones Jr. going for $100. It's not even on sale. That's a kid's medium though. Dang, we're just not seeing much, dude. This, man, pretty mediocre. Let's go. I don't know. Should I go upstairs? Let's go upstairs real quick. All right, so they did get rid of the clearance section up here. They used to have men's clearance section forever, or men's clothing. So let's check out the women's section real quick. They haven't had too much crazy stuff though. They do got Jordan 1s. And these are all men's size too. There's a bunch of 11.5, 12s. Man, that's crazy to see Jordan 1s here. It is retail though. And then look at this one. Ooh, this material, it's like ridiculous. This is an SE for sure. Wow, look at that. Look at that Jordan 1 mid right there. If all the mids were that, like, man, that material, people would buy them. This is like a fabric, like a jersey material. Soft as hell. Damn, dude, that's crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, only got a few sizes though. Look at the slide selection for the women. But I guess like this though, that kind of looks like garbage. I don't know if I don't know if these sandals are any better. These are normally 55. What? Victory 1s. At least these are pretty comfy. Some thongs. More thongs. Victory 1 slides again. Prices could be a little bit better. At least they're on sale though. $20. Benassi. Oh, these aren't no Benassi. These are the Victory 1s. It's like wrong up here. I think these are at the wrong spot. Another one of these. And those Jordan 1s right there. Then it's packed as F right here as well. Damn, dude. Did we go back to stimulus checks? What the hell? I was just so busy. It's crazy. Daybreaks. Another one of those. Waffle trainers and the women's go for hella cheap. Another one of those. Air Max 2017s. Some Air Max 90s. Looks pretty clean. Air Max 97s go for hella cheap. We've seen both of these on sale at the retail shops. 2021s going for retail. Pegasus 36s been given away for freaking $35. 37s. Another one of those. The shields have been given away lately. Another one of those. 38s. Last one right there. Invincible Run Flyknits. Infinity Run Reacts. Another one of those. Man, seeing a ton of these. Oh, and then one last Pegasus 38 right here. All right, I was gonna wrap it up. Let's check out the kids section real quick. But before that, let's look at what I'm wearing. Do got some Pegasus 30, what is these? The 34s, I think. These are old as hell. Yeah, Pegasus 34s. Still pretty comfy. Lunalon, not too shabby. Just, there's better stuff out there now. But I do wear a ton of sneakers, so just throw them on. Got some Lakers, MPLS shorts. They almost match, almost. In the grade school section now, Zoom Free 3s. These things, whatever they are. Got the TE 2 lows, 61723s, Witness 5s, the LeBron 18s, the Playscapes right here, Crater Impacts. Got some slides. These are the car wash slides right here for $20. Air Max Plus, pretty decent discount. Air Max 90. I think that's about it, man. I don't know what them bulk buyers or the resellers, I don't know what they were buying because I didn't really see much. Maybe they had a bunch of stuff early. I don't know. Yeah, I think we're gonna wrap it up, man. It's gonna be a shorter vlog. Wrap it up. And when I was telling y'all how packed this place gets, I was telling 210 got kicks as well. Look at this, look at this. The line starts right here, goes all the way around, all the way around. Show y'all. Gonna keep talking so I don't get copywritten. But yeah, the line goes around here, goes around here, then goes around here, and then goes to the little amusement park line right there. Oh shoot, sorry. Amusement park line right here. And then it goes to the zigzags, man. That's the norm here. This place is nuts. All right, let's wrap it up. All right, guys, I did try. I tried to show y'all, man. But there really wasn't much. Kind of happens. Maybe because I was an hour late. Maybe that's why. But just didn't really see that much. That's what happens with the outlet game. Y'all know. Most of y'all been watching enough to know that's how it works. Sometimes they got tons of stuff. Sometimes they ain't got jack. That's one of those times. But yeah, definitely appreciate y'all making it to the end. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks so much for supporting the channel. Make sure you help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Y'all know I do drop tons and tons of videos. Or if you're new, you don't know, but if y'all been watching. But yeah, got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace. Yeah.